Let's get you details of a huge surge in Atmanirbhar defense as India's defense production has risen 174% in 10 years. India's defense production at 1.27 lakh crore has risen a staggering 30 times over, with defense exports also hitting a record high at 21,083 crores. The target, however, that's been set clearly is 3 lakh crore defense production by 2029. But we definitely seem to be on track for that. Shivani Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Very positive numbers coming in, Shivani. This is something, of course, that the Modi government has put all of their focus on Atmanirbhar defense.
Akshita, this is a detailed 10-page report that has been released by the Ministry of Defense, which outlines that how in past decade, the defense production has increased by 174% as compared to the prior decade, in fact. And the defense exports also have grown 30 times, that are 21,000 crores. And India aims to increase this defense production by 3 lakh crores by 2029. So that's the pace at which the Ministry of Defense is moving in the Atmanirbhar Bharat pursuit. And there are 3,000 items that are now made indigenously. They are in the positive indigenization list that are not being imported from any country. The imports have decreased, the exports have increased, and we must share an important and interesting fact that the defense production standards have increased to a state where made in Bihar shoes are now used by the Russian army for its troops. So that's the kind of production that's taking place here in India in terms of enhancing the standards of exports of defense, and also indigenization list is ensuring that Indian defense forces do not depend upon other countries for their needs.
All right, thanks Shivani for those details.